Whether it's from surgery, joint problems, or advanced age, millions of people every day face the real challenge of going up and down stairs. But now, there's an answer. Introducing the StairAssist Walker. Developed by a doctor of physical therapy, the StairAssist Walker transforms from a rolling walker to a mobility device that a person with certain mobility impairments can use to ascend and descend stairs. StairAssist Walker can only be used with a caregiver and can bring more freedom and peace of mind to both patients and their loved ones. So for those who have trouble with stairs, whether it's temporary or a long-term medical situation, StairAssist Walker can now help return some of the dignity and quality of life that has been missing. To learn more about StairAssist Walker, please visit StairAssistWalker.com or scan the QR code on your screen.